This is a case of intussusception in a 7-year-old boy who presented with intermittent epigastric pain for the last 1 week. Intussusception is a condition in which one segment of intestine telescopes into the other, leading to bowel obstruction. On ultrasound, this can be identified using characteristic findings, especially with the aid of real-time sonography, which is preferred imaging method for diagnosis. Sonographic features of intussusception are target or donut sign. This is seen on cross-sectional view, in which bowel appears as concentric alternative layers of echogenicity. The hyperechoic bright ring represents as edematous bowel walls, and the hypoechoic dark ring represents the compressed bowel. On longitudinal section, this appears as a pseudo-kidney due to the oval shape. Bowel wall thickening is visualized due to edema and inflammation. Doppler flow can help assess the blood flow. Decrease or absent flow may suggest ischemia. Free fluid around intussusception is seen in advanced cases. This is indication of more severe disease or complication. Ultrasound is also used to monitor the reduction of this disease. Signs and symptoms are abdominal pain, which is sudden, severe, crampy, and often occurs intermittently. Vomiting is seen, and bloody stool occurs due to bowel ischemia and mucosal sloughing. Lethargicness or unconsciousness may be seen due to painful episodes. Treatment in children is normally non-surgical, as air or contrast enema is used to relieve intussusception. The success rate is normally 80 to 90%. Surgical intervention is required if there are signs of bowel perforation or ischemia. In adults, surgery is more commonly required, as intussusception may be caused by underlying condition such as tumor or polyp.